Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use TikTok templates on CapCut. Alright, so to do that, come and open your TikTok application. Alright, so come and open your TikTok application. So when you open your TikTok application, go to the search bar over here. Okay, so when you come to the search bar, search for CapCut. Alright, so search for CapCut. Alright, so when you search for CapCut, you're going to look for a random video. Alright, so I'll select this video here. Okay, alright, so when I select this video here, you'll see there's an option which says try this template over here, and it has a CapCut sign on it. Okay, so I'll tap on this option there. Alright, so when I tap on that option, it will say use template in CapCut. Alright, so I'll be using this template in my CapCut to edit my own videos. Okay, so I'll tap on use template in CapCut. Then when I tap on use template in CapCut, I just need to wait for it to load. Alright, so it is opening the template using my CapCut account, and it's using the CapCut application. Okay, so we are leaving TikTok. So I just confirm here, use template. Alright, so to use this template, I must export or I must import some additional videos to edit with it. So I'll select this. Alright, so after selecting that, I'll come to preview. So it's loading and I have to wait. Alright, so it has finished loading. I have to wait for it to apply. As you can see, the template is being applied into my video that I'm also editing. Alright, so that's how you can use templates from TikTok on your CapCut application. Okay, as you can see, I'm using this template that I found on TikTok, and it's being added into my video so that it can look like that very template that I watched. Okay, as you can see, the application is now complete. Okay, so if you found value in this video guys, please consider subscribing, hit the like button, and we shall meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.